equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface 1796. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Surface 1796 may experience guarantee issues, often due to software glitches or hardware malfunctions. If left unaddressed, these problems can lead to further damage, affecting performance and usability. To tackle this, you will need a few essential tools: a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, and a soft cloth to protect the screen. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the device's casing, starting from the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, locate the battery connector, which is often the source of the issue. Gently disconnect it by lifting the connector from its socket. Next, remove any screws securing the faulty component, using the appropriate screwdriver. Be cautious with the force applied, as over-tightening can strip the screws. After removing the component, replace it with the new one, ensuring all connections are secure. Reassemble the device by reversing the opening process, making sure to check that all clips are properly engaged. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future guarantee issues, keep your device updated with the latest software and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.